Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mr. Bobbin or Malika, and welcome to vlog number 13. So I actually did not expect to have a vlog this soon because I literally just posted a vlog like 2 days ago, and then today we randomly decided to do something. But first, I wanted to start this video off by saying thank you guys so much for 10K subscribers. That is insane, and yeah, I'm really excited for that. But we are in a moving process. We are in a process of moving because we weren't ever going to stay in this house for forever. So we're finally in the process of moving, and my mom and I have been looking at houses, and we saw that there were a couple open houses today. She saw like 2 days ago, and so today my mom, my sisters, and I, or we, whichever one it is. Okay, my cat left. We're going to go check out a couple of houses to look at and see if we like them. And yeah, so we're going house looking today, and I wanted to take you guys along because it's a vlog and I feel like that's what you do in vlogs, whatever it is. So I'm gonna take a project. I literally just finished my recreation piece yesterday, literally, so I'm starting another project today, and it's my chunky cardigan slash jacket type of thing. So I'm gonna start that. I'm gonna bring it with me, and then I'm gonna show you guys all the houses that we look at. I'll try and get like good footage of like the interior, not just like a flash and it's like anyway. So yeah, we're gonna check out a couple of houses today, see if we like them and all that good stuff. And yeah, so I'm gonna have another vlog up. I'm going to post this literally tomorrow, so this is like fresh footage for you guys. Gonna post it tomorrow so you guys can see that. And yeah, it's really something different. I've never done it before because I didn't start my channel until we moved here, so I couldn't even show you guys the moving process from Alabama to California, which would have been crazy. That would have been so fun to film. But anyway, so I'll definitely be filming the moving process from California to California again. But yeah, so today we're gonna be looking at houses, and I'm gonna bring you guys along. And but right now I'm currently about to go cook, and then I will get started on my crochet project after that, or it'll probably be time to get ready, probably. So yeah, I'll be looking the complete opposite of how I look right now. I literally just woke up and showered. So yeah, I'm so excited to check out some houses today with you guys. And yeah, let's see, is that all I have to say? I think that's all I have to say for right now. So let's get it, and let me go cook real quick. Not real quick because it'll take a couple hours. I don't even know why I'm still talking. Anyway, let's get it. Okay guys, so I basically finished cooking. It is 7 o'clock and we're leaving at like 11, and I thought it would take that long, which is why I woke up at 5 to get started early, but we're not. But I'm done. I don't even know why I said we're not. But so now I'm just honestly gonna chill, maybe start on my new crochet project. Then I forgot to tell you guys that we're gonna be looking like the Calabasas area to start off with. So we'll be looking at a few Calabasas homes and then other Los Angeles homes to start off with. So yeah, let's get it. Okay, I did a little bit of crocheting, but now it's time to get ready. So let me show you guys what I'll be wearing. Grab the shoes. Have to look professional because since we're gonna be seeing like $1 million houses, I can't just go dressing bummy like this. Gotta dress the part. So this is what I'm wearing. Give me a second. Okay, so I'm wearing this. I got the turtleneck look, then a leather pants, and then the boots. So I'm gonna put that on, and then I'm only putting on like mascara and blush because I don't feel like doing the whole like makeup look because that's too much work. I don't really like putting on makeup when I'm actually going out. I only like putting on makeup when I'm taking pictures and then I just wipe it all off. But I'm gonna put on mascara, blush, and yeah, highlight, you know, the usual. And then I'll probably continue crocheting until 11. It's 10 o'clock right now. It won't take me long to get ready at all, so let's get it. I am so skinny. What the heck? Never really looked at myself like this. Anyway guys, this is the outfit. Alright, look like that. And then the boots. This is very extra for no reason, but and this is how I look with just the camera. Okay, let me tilt it down a little, right? Okay, yeah. Ta-da! And it will come from where did you go? Maybe you didn't know cotton go loud and there a long time ago. There's Kalila, looking fancy schmancy. Yeah, yeah. There's Kahila, looking basic.
Always.
And here's Thunder.
Where's Onyx?
Looking schmunday funday. We're on our, no we're not, we're in a garage. I don't even know why I was gonna say we're on our way. Technically we are, but the twinsies and me. Fun fact, when I was younger, I envied that the twins could sit in a front seat, but I was like still young to sit. And then when I turned of age, I've been sitting in a front seat ever since then.
Yep. I was like, hallelujah.
And so that's why I'm always in the front. And here's my mother, the person who is literally always driving us everywhere because we don't want to drive until I get my Tesla. Say bye, Joey.
Bye.
Where's
Say,
my bag?
I'll see you guys later. Love you so much.
Shut up.
Bye, guys. Okay guys, so we checked out a couple of houses. This last one we saw, I love it. I love everything about it. I filmed some of like the rooms and all that stuff so you guys can see that. But now we're heading to a mall, to Panga Mall, to see really and then eat, find somewhere to eat, and then we'll be going home. So I love doing this. I'm excited to find a house. I'm excited to keep looking for houses, and yeah, so it's hot. Gotta go. Say hello, mother. She's like, I gotta. Guys, this is a falafel like meatball. So good. I got a falafel sandwich. Woo. So good. And jamba juice. So good. Okay guys, that is the end of this vlog and this outing that we rarely do, honestly. I think the last time we did something like going to malls and stuff was in 2019. Yeah, because that's when we went to like Universal and stuff, right? Yeah, so like 2019 is when we went to like Universal. We were like a part of Family Feud. Why did I just drool? We were part of Family Feud and The Voice. We went to The Voice and stuff, so that was fun. Dang, I wish like we could do that again. So we couldn't even film anyway. They took our phones, but no, we kept it. Anyway. This vlog is over. I had fun. I love looking at the potential houses, but just the general area, the general Calabasas area period was really nice, so that was really fun to see. But that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed it so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you know whenever I post another video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!